How to use Dyne test inks. I'm going to start with a 30 Dyne ink on this untreated polypropylene material. We use a single-use swab and we're looking to see what happens within the first 3 seconds. Let's make sure to tightly put the lid back on your bottle. So within the 3 seconds we saw that the film stayed as a film, it did not bead up. That means that the liquid has passed. The surface has a surface energy of at least 30 dynes per centimetre or millinewtons per metre. They're the same thing. Now we're going to try a 34 using a clean new swab. We'll put enough ink on there and we'll see it immediately drawing back. That means we have a fail on the 34. We can therefore say the surface energy is between 30 and 34 dynes.